Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Today, let's learn how we can represent fractions on a number line. So, look at this question here. Represent the fraction 1 by 2 on a number line. So, you see the fraction given here, it is greater than 0 but less than 1. Its value will be less than 1. So, we are going to represent this fraction between the points 0 and 1 on the number line. So, let's first draw a number line. All of you have to take your ruler and take your pencil, and we are going to draw a number line. So, I'm drawing a line like this, and I'm going to mark equal points on the number line. Now, set aside the ruler. Now, since we are going to represent the fraction between the values 0 and 1, I am going to mark this point as 0 and this point as 1. Now, I am putting arrows at both ends to indicate that the number line is extending both ways. Now, we are going to represent 1 by 2. So, the space between 0 and 1, it should be divided equally into 2. See, the denominator is 2. So, we need to divide the space between the gap between 0 and 1 equally into 2 parts. For that, you can use the markings on your ruler. So, here let me divide the gap between 0 and 1 into 2 equal parts. See, now we have one part here and one part here. Now, you see this gap between 0 and 1, which is equal to a value of 1 unit, it is getting divided into 2 equal parts, and this point will be the fraction 1 by 2. So, is it here? Just divide the points. So, you have to look at the denominator and it will tell you how many parts the gap should be divided into, and we should divide the gap between 0 and 1 into as many parts as the denominator, and here it is 2, and hence we divided 0 and 1 into 2 equal parts, and this point will be 1 by 2. Now, we will see one more example. See the question, represent 3 by 4 on a number line. So, here the fraction is 3 by 4 or 3/4. So, here also the first step is to draw a number line. So, I am going to draw a number line now. So, here I am going to draw this line. Then I am going to mark equal points on it. I am marking 1 point here and 1 point here, and this fraction also has a value which is between 0 and 1, and hence I am marking this point as 0 and this point as 1. We are going to represent 3/4 on this number line between 0 and 1. So, the first step is to look at the denominator. It is equal to 4. So, we need to divide this gap into 4 equal parts. So, you can use the markings on your ruler to divide the gap into 4 equal parts. So, I am dividing this like this. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. And you see, since we divided a length of 1 unit into 4 equal parts, each part will be 1 by 4. So, here this will be 1 by 4, and this gap here, this will be another 1 by 4. This will be another 1 by 4, and so on. So, if you take the distance from 0 to this point, it will be the fraction 1 by 4. So, if we take the distance from the point 0 till here, that would be this 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So, that would be a total of 2 by 4. Now, again, from here till here it is 1 by 4. From here till here it is again 1 by 4. So, from 0 to here it is 2 by 4. So, when you come here, it will become another 1 by 4. So, the total will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That would be equal to 3 by 4. So, you see, till here it is 1 by 4, till here it is 2 by 4, and till here it is 3 by 4 from the point 0. So, let me remind you the steps once again. So, when you are asked to represent a fraction on a number line, first step, look at the fraction. See, in this fraction there is no whole number part. So, its value will be between 0 and 1. And now, you have to draw a number line. You have to mark the points 0 and 1. Now look at the denominator of the given fraction, and the gap between 0 and 1 should be divided into as many equal parts as the denominator. Then look at the numerator and you have to mark the point accordingly. So I hope this is clear to you. I would like you to go through the topic once again in your textbook. This is given in page number 80. So once you have gone through the topic, you can try this exercise given in the same page. The question is, represent the given fractions on a number line, and the fractions given there are 4 by 5, 7 by 10, 5 by 8, 6 by 6 and 0 by 4. So try doing this yourself in your notebook. So you have to draw the number line and mark the fractions in your notebook. Then you can take a picture and send us to Teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.